I like reading mystery books before going to sleep. I usually read four and four every night. I like cooking pasta for my family. I often try new recipes on weekends. I like taking pictures of nature when I travel. I always kept them in my album. I hate waking up early on cold mornings. I always stay in bed a few minutes more. I hate waiting in long lines at the supermarket. It three to go winter are favorite people. I hate cleaning my room on Sundays. I almost always do it at the last minute. I don't mean helping my classmates with homework. It's good way to practice. I don't mean walking instead of taking the bus. Sometimes it's nice to get fresh air. I don't mean doing laundry on weekends. I listen to music while I do it. I can't stand listening to very loud music when I'm studying. I lose my concentration. I can't walking in the rain without an umbrella. I end up completely wet. I can't stand eating spicy food. I always feel like my mouth is on fire.